Hi, my name's Charlie Viola and I'm the lead educator at Curlsmith. Today's video is all about how to diffuse curly hair for maximum volume. I've prepped Natasha's hair using Curlsmith stylers and I'm going to opt to diffuse rather than air dry because I want to create maximum volume within her hair. I'm going to use the hover diffusing technique to dry the roots, and this process should be quicker because we've got an 8-inch diffuser. I'm going to use it on the highest heat and highest airflow. It's safe to do this because I'm using the Curlsmith dryer, which has been designed with curls in mind. Try not to touch the hair during the diffusing process because this will create frizz. And then tip your hair to the side gently and move the hair around lightly and continue to hover diffuse to dry the roots underneath. And repeat on the other side. Once you've dried the roots, I'm now going to start using the Pixie diffusing method. I'm going to get Natasha to tilt her head back and really start to diffuse from this back area and working the way up the hair with the diffuser using the Pixie method. Once you feel like the back's almost dry, I'll move to the side. So if you just tilt your head to the side and let those curls hang. And then again, I will continue with the Pixie method. And then repeat on the other side. And then flip your hair upside down to try this front area and create maximum volume. I'm going to use the Flawless Finish hairspray for long-lasting hold. I'm going to get Natasha to flip her hair upside down and I'm going to mist the hairspray throughout. Just really open out those curls to encourage that volume. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.